Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something really quick, really different, and that is to fix our mannequin stand. This is how it comes when you buy it. So I want to show you how you can fix it and take it from this to this. So as you can see guys, we have three parts. We have the circular like joint, then we have the level. The level is the one with the ball. And what you do, you insert the level to the circular joint with the ball underneath, just like that. Then you take your main clamp. Your main clamp has a bolt. The bolt, is used to adjust the stand to surfaces. Okay. So, and you can see it has some threads. So what you do, you screw it into the circular joint. And you screw it in according to the strength, how you want your mannequin to be. Okay, if you want your mannequin to rotate, you screw it just a little bit. If you want your mannequin to be held firm, you screw it to the end. Okay, so I'll demonstrate that in a few, and guys, ignore the noises that you hear. Okay, and it's so easy, so enjoy doing it. Okay, I hope you've learned something. And guys, remember to subscribe if you've not subscribed. You're almost at 1K, and I really appreciate that. And if you know someone who can benefit from this video, just share it with them. Okay, and like the video. Otherwise, it's a goodbye from me. Till next time, bye.